In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing anything from social media graphics to presentations and more. Text highlighting is a handy feature, especially when you want to emphasize specific information in your design. Follow along as I walk you through the entire process of highlighting text in Canva. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, let's create a new design. For this tutorial, we'll work with a canvas size of 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is perfect for many social media platforms like Instagram. Now that you have your canvas set up, it's time to add some text. Select the text tool from the left side menu and click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. Go ahead and enter the text you want to highlight. Once you've added your text, we'll move on to the next step, which involves creating the highlight effect. Now, let's head over to the Elements tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. In the search bar, type in square and press enter. You'll see a variety of square shapes appear. Choose one that suits your design aesthetic, and it will be added to your canvas. The next step is to adjust this square shape. You might want to resize it to fit behind the text you want to highlight, ensuring that it covers the text adequately. Once you're satisfied with the size, it's time to reposition it. Place the square directly behind your text, ensuring that it aligns well and complements your overall design layout. Let's add some color to our highlight. Click on the square shape and go over to the top toolbar, where you'll find the color options. Choose a color that contrasts well with your text, perhaps a bright yellow, which is a classic highlighter color. Adjust the shade to make sure it stands out yet fits your design theme. With the color set, you might want to consider adjusting the transparency of the highlight. This can help give it a subtle and elegant effect rather than an overpowering one. To do this, look for the transparency tool in the floating toolbar. Click it, and you'll be able to adjust the transparency to your liking, creating a more authentic highlight appearance. By following these steps, you've successfully highlighted text in Canva. With the highlight complete, feel free to click around your design and make any final adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. Whether you choose to place the highlight in front or behind the text, adjust the transparency to achieve the look you desire. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create a highlighted text effect in Canva, enhancing your designs and making important information stand out. Use this technique in your future projects to create stunning and eye-catching designs. Happy designing!